Assalamualaikum and good day to all lecturers and fellow friends. We are from Group 1. We present about free abbreviation to degree of freedom math system. Our group members are Nur Syahira, Shazatu Aniza, Nur Shakira and Norwani. There are 3 objectives in our experiment. The first one is to determine the value of acceleration, velocity and displacement with different mass for 2 degree of freedom system. Then to compare the result of natural frequency between the theoretical and experiment. The last one is to identify the value of decay rate using experimental data. Before we can run the experiment, we have to set up the apparatus first. Firstly, we need to attach the spring and measure the length of the spring with and without mass. We measure this to get the value of stiffness force by theoretical. Now we want to open up the Daisy Lab for the setting. Okay, first I want to set the NIDAQ setup. I create new NIDAQ task. Acquire signal, analog input. Acceleration as we use the accelerometer. And we select the channel. There is 2 channels for 2 degree of freedoms. We set up the sensitivity for the first channels is 105 and for the second channels is 103. And we use the continuous sample. So we open the Daisy Lab. Several data modules has been used in our layout. First, we use YT chart to view the data. Then, after defining the input channels for data acquisition card, we want to convert the raw data into engineering units. To fulfill this, we use scaling. Then, we use chart recorder to display all 3 input signals continuously. One of the requirements of this task is to store the data into a file on the computer's hard disk. Use browser to select module, then file, then write data and place the data module on the word area. After completing the schematic diagram, we have to run the experiment to get the data. This is the example of the result that we can get after running the experiment. From this result, we will get the value of acceleration, velocity and displacement. Also, we can get the result of natural frequency and the decay rate. From the experiment, we can conclude few things. First, we must set up all the apparatus properly to get the good result. Then, the accelerometer must be connected and synchronized properly. If we don't follow any of this, we will get the wrong result and it will not achieve our objective. It is because to achieve the objective, we need the right value from the experiment.
I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my